This video is how you can get any print from Bamboo Studios to print on your A1 Mini or other Bamboo printer that isn't listed here. So we're going to start with this Baby Bullet by H.R. Geiger. And as you can see, there's no A1 Mini. But we're going to find the printer that's closest, which is the A1 in this case, and we're going to click Open in Bamboo Studios. Click Import into Bamboo Studios. It's going to open it up. And this print is actually pretty interesting because it looks like it's three-dimensional, but it's not. It's an image. So it's actually just like a thin print, as you can see here. It doesn't have depth to it, so it's just the way the image is created is it's multiple different filaments, and it lays it down. So the first thing we're gonna do is go up here. We're gonna choose our A1 Mini, and I just took a quick look through the presets, and we're just gonna use the modified values. So here we go. As you can tell, it's too large for our print bed. So we're going to rotate it. And we're going to rotate it more. And as you can see, we got to make it smaller to fit on the bed because it's going over the edges. So we're going to change the scale of it. Make sure it's uniform scale changing. And we're going to try 93%. Still a little too big. Let's try 90%. Let's try rotating it. Maybe we can get that to fit. Nope, looks like we're going to have to go smaller scale. Let's try 89%. Let's see here. I'll try rotating it around here. Looks like it's gonna fit better like this. Let's see, that looks like it fits. So we are gonna go over here and we're gonna change our PLA. So we're gonna go with the base being this blue that we have right here. And then we'll go with our next lightest color, which is this lighter blue color. And then we will go with this. And let's see what it looks like. Huh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, so it's still too big, so let's make it a tiny bit smaller. So it looks like it fits there. So we're gonna slice plate. And it is slicing the plate. Oh, nice, that looks cool. Okay, so now we're gonna go to print plate. And it's saying filaments have been established. You can click a different filament. So we're just gonna make sure our filaments are routed to the correct place. That one's actually in spot 2. This one is actually in spot 1. And then this one is in spot 4. And this one is in spot 3. So it's basically saying where we decided these ones were, it wasn't matching up. So we want to make sure that we have them linked correctly. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if this works. There are some unknown filaments. That'll be that one. And We're going to confirm we know there's filaments not from Bambu Labs in there. Okay, so it's jumped over to the device. Looks like it's downloading it. And you can see here, this is your kind of control center. We'll get to monitor the print from the computer from here. And we got the happy little dance from the printer. So we were able to get this printed. As you can see, it worked out. There's a bunch of different colors. So we got the 4 colors from the AMS. We got the blue, light blue, green, and white. If you do have this issue, just make sure you change your printer and you scale it and get it fitting on your bed and correctly map your AMS system. And you should be able to print anything you want on your A1 Mini or your other Bambu Lab printer that doesn't have a print profile in the STL or in the Bambu Labs model area. So hopefully this video helped, and thank you very much for watching.